Hello tool lovers, welcome to the channel. Don't skip this video. Today we're showcasing 20 revolutionary woodworking tools available on Amazon. Discover game-changing innovations that boost precision, speed, and creativity in your workshop. From smart gadgets to must-have upgrades, these tools can transform your projects instantly. Stay tuned and find your next favorite tool today, right here in this video. Cordless Saw, the Bosch Power Tools. Cordless Saw lineup delivers powerful, versatile solutions for professionals and DIY ears alike. From the high-performance 18-volt biturbo circular and reciprocating saws to compact 12-volt models for precision tasks, Bosch ensures efficiency and control. Advanced features like kickback control, dust extraction compatibility, and AMP share battery integration enhance safety and convenience. Whether cutting wood, metal, or delicate materials, Bosch cordless saws provide reliable, cord-free performance across a wide range of applications. Huepar Inclinometer. The Huepar Inclinometer is a compact, high-precision digital angle gauge ideal for woodworking, construction, and machinery setup. It delivers accuracy up to plus or minus 0.1 degrees at key angles and supports multiple units like degrees, percent, millimeters per meter, and inches per foot. With dual axis measurement, magnetic V-groove base, and auto-inverting backlit display, it ensures easy operation. Features like relative zero, hold function, and audible alerts enhance usability, while its rugged IP54 rated design ensures durability in demanding work environments. Suction cups, Seesii electric. Suction cups are powerful, battery-operated vacuum lifters built for handling heavy, smooth materials like glass, tiles, and stone. With load capacities reaching up to 600 pounds, they ensure strong, reliable grip. An intelligent sensor automatically maintains suction, while the LCD display shows pressure and battery status. The 8-inch NBR base provides excellent sealing and durability. Designed for efficiency, they feature one-button operation, quick release, and dependable performance even in extreme temperatures. Undercover Set. The wolfcraft Undercover Jig Set is a complete 55-piece pocket hole system designed for fast, clean, and hidden wood joints. Ideal for cabinets, shelves, and furniture repairs, it supports corner, edge, and miter connections with precision. Built-in measuring and adjustable presets make setup quick and accurate. The hardened steel guides ensure clean drilling, while the HSS step drill bit creates perfect pilot and countersink holes in one step. Durable construction and a full accessory kit make it highly reliable. Digital Inclinometer. The XUNTOP Digital Inclinometer is a compact multifunctional tool built for precision woodworking, construction, and DIY tasks. It combines a digital angle gauge, electronic level, and in some models, laser alignment. With high accuracy of plus or minus 0.1 degrees at 0 degrees and 90 degrees, and plus or minus 0.2 degrees at other angles, it delivers reliable results. It features absolute and relative measurement modes, multiple unit options, and an auto-rotating backlit display. Strong magnets, optional lasers, and durable construction make it highly practical. Mini Metal Saw. The Presch Mini Metal Saw is a compact, high-precision cutting tool designed for tight spaces and detailed work. Available in 150mm and 300mm versions, it features durable bimetal blades for efficient cutting of metal, plastic, and more. The ergonomic non-slip handle ensures comfort and control, while the tool-free blade change system adds convenience. The flexible 300mm model offers extended reach and flush cutting, making it a versatile choice for both DIY users and professionals. Marking tool, the Profiler. Marking tool, also known as the Profiler Plus, is a versatile scribing solution designed for precise outline transfers in woodworking and carpentry. It features dual tracing modes, including a precision tip for detailed profiles and smooth glide wheels for long surfaces. Its universal holder fits various markers, while the adjustable self-locking width ensures consistent accuracy. Built with durable materials, it offers ambidextrous comfort and delivers clean, professional fits for cabinetry, flooring, and joinery projects.
Dowelling Jig. The JESM Dowelling Jig is a precision tool for creating perfectly aligned, repeatable dowel joints. Crafted from CNC machined 6000 series aluminum or 11 gauge stainless steel, it offers exceptional durability and accuracy. Featuring versatile dowel sizes, stainless steel indexing pins, preset incremental hole locations, and a built-in alignment slot, it ensures flawless joint setups. Laser engraved markings, hardened steel guide bushings, and a 90-degree reference angle make it ideal for edge-to-edge, T-type, and flush woodworking joints with unmatched precision. Cyclonic Separator, JDC-CS. The Jet Cyclonic Separator, JDC-CS, is a 4-inch add-on that boosts dust collection efficiency by separating large chips and debris before they reach the main filter. Using a 2-stage cyclonic design, it protects filters, maintains airflow, and extends filter life. Its clear polycarbonate body allows visual monitoring, while universal compatibility fits most containers. With minimal maintenance, standard 4-inch hose connection, and reduced equipment wear, the JDC-CS improves air quality, enhances system efficiency, and offers a cost-effective upgrade for any workshop. Pro ERGO one-hand clamp. The wolfcraft. Pro ERGO one-hand clamp is a rugged, ergonomic clamping solution built for serious woodworking and assembly tasks. It offers smooth one-handed operation with a powerful clamping force up to 150 kilograms for demanding jobs. The clamp easily converts into a spreader without tools, adding versatility. An ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue, while large rubberized jaws protect delicate surfaces. Durable steel rails and reinforced housing ensure long-lasting professional performance. Pole saw. The Seesii pole saw is a smart 2-in-1 cordless cutting tool that works as both an extendable pole saw for high branches and a compact handheld mini chainsaw for groundwork. Powered by a strong 400-watt brushless motor, it delivers smooth, efficient cuts with low maintenance. The adjustable extension pole reaches up to 6.5 feet, while safety locks, protective guards, and an ergonomic rubber grip ensure comfortable, secure, and fatigue-free operation for all users. Electric planer. The Wokin electric planer is a reliable corded woodworking tool built for smooth, accurate surface finishing. Powered by a strong 900-watt motor with a 16,000 revolutions per minute no-load speed, it delivers fast material removal on both soft and hardwoods. The adjustable 0 to 3mm cutting depth and 82mm planing width offer excellent control. Its heavy-duty aluminum base ensures stability, while the ergonomic soft grip handle reduces fatigue during extended use. Trend Hinge Jig. The Trend Hinge Jig is a portable precision routing template designed for fast, accurate hinge recessing in wooden doors and frames. Ideal for site work or workshops, it delivers clean, repeatable results with minimal setup. Adjustable aperture blocks ensure a perfect hinge fit, while durable aluminum rails provide smooth routing. Compatible with multiple hinge sizes and plunge routers, it's a reliable time-saving solution for professional joiners and installers. WXT20H Log Splitter. The Wallenstein WXT20H Log Splitter is a high-output Towable horizontal splitter built for serious firewood production. Its innovative two-way splitting action works on both strokes, delivering 20 tons of force with fast 6.6-second cycles. Powered by a reliable 6.5 horsepower Vanguard engine, it handles tough hardwoods with ease. Ergonomic bed height, centered controls, durable powder coat finish, and easy towing make it efficient, comfortable, and job site ready for homeowners, professionals, and anyone needing maximum productivity in a compact, transport-friendly machine every single day. Panel Carrier. The Maxiwa Panel Carrier, TC3000, is a smart shop-ready solution for moving large sheet materials safely and efficiently. Designed for true single-person operation, it handles plywood, drywall, MDF, and metal panels with ease. Its adjustable height aligns perfectly with saws and workstations, while the tilting platform simplifies loading and unloading. Built from rugged steel with smooth rolling wheels, it boosts productivity, reduces strain, and keeps material handling fast, stable, and safe. Stair Tread Template. The Magmaniac. Stair Tread Template is a durable, anodized aluminum measuring jig designed for precise stair treads, risers, and shelving templates. Its dual nut locking system prevents errors, while adjustable lengths 17.9 to 60 plus inches, and pivoting ends handle straight, curved, or spiral stairs. Aerospace grade construction ensures toughness and corrosion resistance. Quick edge stops and laser etch scales allow fast, repeatable measurements. Versatile for shelves, windowsills, and flooring, its modular design makes it portable, compact, and ideal for any woodworking project. CNC Router. The Foxalian CNC routers combine sturdy all-aluminum frames, high upgrade compatibility, and user-friendly design for hobbyists and professionals alike. Models like Masuta, XE Pro, Vasto, and XE Ultra offer options from desktop to industrial scale projects. Features include NEMA 23 stepper motors, versatile spindle mounts, linear rails, and ball screws for precision. Pre-assembled parts, dust-proof controllers, and optional offline touchscreen controls simplify setup. Many models support extensions, laser modules, and various working areas, making Foxalian routers adaptable, precise, and ready for growth. AnglePro Deck Tool. The GRK AnglePro Deck Tool is a versatile heavy-duty guide system for installing hidden deck fasteners, delivering a flawless, screw-free finish. It adjusts to deck boards 3.35 inches to 5.9 inches wide and allows precise gapping from 0.12 inches to 0.3 inches, accommodating material expansion. Built-in precision guides ensure fast, accurate placement, while its durable construction handles tough job site conditions. Compatible with composite, PVC, cedar and hardwood. It eliminates the need for pre-drilling with GRK deck elite screws, saving time and effort. Circular saw. The Einhell circular saws are versatile, user-friendly tools, available in corded and cordless models. They offer tool-free adjustments for cutting depth and bevel angle, durable aluminum base plates and quick blade changes with spindle locks. Safety features include retracting blade guards, splitting wedges and lockout switches, while dust extraction keeps work areas clean. Cordless models use the Power Exchange system for mobility, and many saws support guide rails and parallel guides for precise, straight cuts. Ergonomic grips reduce fatigue during extended use. OneTIME Tool. The Woodpeckers. OneTIME tools are limited edition, precision machined woodworking tools made in the USA, available only briefly during single production runs. Known for extreme accuracy within thousandths of an inch, they feature high quality materials like aircraft grade aluminum and stainless steel. Many tools combine multiple functions, reviving classic designs with innovative enhancements such as laser engraved scales and ergonomic handles. Each tool includes a custom protective case, ensuring durability and organization, making them a must-have for serious woodworkers and cabinet makers.